Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about the last update in Grass Airdrop. We will teach you how to join Grass Airdrop, how to install Grass Lite Node extension in Mises browser, and how to activate the mining process. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram, where we publish the latest news about testnet projects and airdrops. Link will be down below in the description box. With that being said, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. Before we start talking about the Grass Airdrop, this is the page of the Grass token on CoinMarketCap website. After the first season finished, the Grass token has launched on exchange platforms, and now we are in the second season, and at the time of filming this video, the price of each one Grass token is about $1.78, which is really amazing. Also, that means this is a verified airdrop and they will give you real tokens at the end, so don't miss this opportunity to make some money. And if we scroll down a little bit, they will show you some additional information about the Grass token. As you see, the market cap is about $436 million. And the total supply is 1 billion Grass tokens. I think this is a good reason to join Grass Airdrop and start mining Grass tokens right now. Now let me show you how to join. First, we need to use Mises browser because it allows us to use Chrome extensions on mobile phone. And if you want to join Grass Airdrop, there is a link down below in the description box. Copy that link, then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page. Here you can sign up using your Google account, or if you want you can type in your email address and then check these boxes on the left side and click on continue. Next, they will send you a verification code to your email address, so make sure to type in that code here and then click on register. Then they will show you this message, so check this box at the bottom and close it. Then click on accept all and you will land on the Grass homepage. And if we scroll down a little bit, click on Connect Network. They will show you this message, so click on this icon to install the Grass Lite Node extension. You will be redirected to this page. And if you want to add this extension to your Mises browser, click on the blue button on the top right corner, which is Add to Chrome. They will show you this message, so click on OK and wait until it's completely installed. Now click on the extensions icon on top of the screen, and as you see, we have successfully installed the Grass Lite Node extension. Click on this extension, and as you see, the mining process has already started. Now let's go back to Grass homepage. And if we scroll down a little bit, you should see that the network is connected. Now at the bottom there is an icon which looks like a gift. Click on it. Then you will land on this page. So click on Connect Wallet. They will show you a list of wallets that you can use, but I recommend you to use Phantom Wallet. So click on Phantom. They will show you this message, and here you need to type in your Phantom password and click on Unlock. Then they will show you another message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you this message to verify your wallet, so click on Verify. And finally, they will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Now let's complete the last step, so click on Send Verification Email. They will show you this message, so click on Send Verification Link. And if you go to your email address, you'll receive a message like this one. So click on Verify Wallet Address. Click on Accept All. And as you see, we have successfully verified our wallet. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Refresh the page. And as you see, we have completed all these tasks. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Grass Airdrop. Again, all what you need to do is install the Grass Lite Node extension and then connect and verify your wallet as I showed you before. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends and invite them to join our channel. See you soon guys. Good luck.